Yes, sir.
This initially it was there. Okay, so create means creating the table. That's it. Alter means alter table. That means you can able to change the column name and data type, table name. So changing the data type and increasing the size of the data type also. For example, for this column, I want to increase the data type size. Then you can able to increase it. Click on apply button. You can able to see the query also. Okay. So and coming this suppose if you want to change the data type of this particular column. So I want to change the data type for this C underscore varchar into float. Then I can able to change it, but small condition will be there. In this table, under this column, that values must be float or integers only. If that values belongs to string, like if this column contains Swarup or Surya, then it will not allow to change into the float data type. Why? Because float data type allows floating point numbers or integers. It will not allows alphabets. Is it understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is the main constraint. Okay. So like that, date and time also. Okay. So if this C underscore varchar contains numerics, then it can change from varchar to float. And you can able to increase the size also. That is not a problem. Okay. That belongs to alter. Drop means, and in alter you can append another column also. See this, and you can delete existing column also. See this, drop column C underscore add. Okay, so drop command means it will drop the table from the database. So this is the database, and drop table, this one. See this, so table was deleted. Okay, and truncate means it is used to delete the records from the table. So entire records will be deleted by using truncate command. So that is DDL, insert update delete for DML. So insert means, so see this, integer varchar. I want to insert some records. Insert into table 1. Here, if you want to write the column names, you can write, otherwise no need to write. So first one is integer, I'm going to give 1. Second one is varchar, I'm going to give the name Surya. No database was selected. When you get this type of error, then just write it is asking the database name. That's it. So see this one record will be inserted. You can find this like this. Okay. So here I didn't mention any column name in this brackets. Suppose if you want to mention that, you can mention. Okay. This. Again, it will be inserted. Suppose I'm not going to insert any values for C1 column. Observe this. Column count does not match value count at row 1. That means here it is saying that in these brackets you have mentioned only one column name, and in values portion you have mentioned two values, like one is for C1, another one is for C2. So that type of information it is saying. Okay, so if you get this kind of error, you need to understand like that. So column counts does not match. So you need to remove one value from this value class. Now it is inserted. So you didn't use C1 column for inserting, that's why it is storing null. Okay. If you don't write into also, it is not at all a problem. It will insert. Okay. And update table 1 set. I want to update C1 equal to 2. See, you are using safe update mode and you try to update a table without a where class. To disable safe mode, toggle the option. Okay. Set underscore safe updates equal to 0. Okay, so C1 is updated. Okay, so all records are updated, but I don't want to update all the records. I want to update only single record. So at that time, so here all the records are duplicated. So you can't update only single record. Okay, for that I'm going to change one record. Okay, I'm going to insert C1. Okay. See this. Here 3 will be there. I'm going to update C2 name. Here C1 equal to 3. C2 equal to Swaroop. So here string you need to give in quotations. See this. Okay, and similarly delete also. Delete from table 1. So if you use this command, then entire records will be deleted. Why? Because you didn't use where condition. Suppose if you use where condition C1 equal to 2, then how many records will be deleted? 4 records. Why? Because we are having C1 equal to 2 for 4 records. Okay. So if you use truncate command, entire records will be deleted. See this, 2 records are there. So I am going to use truncate table 1. So observe this. Okay, entire records will be gone. What is the difference between delete and truncate? Means we can use the where class in delete command, but we can't use the where class in truncate command. And if you use the auto increment property for a table, then if you use the truncate command, then serial number starts from 1. If you use delete command, then serial number starts from whatever you have deleted. So after that only serial number starts. Okay, so that thing we will discuss in next session. Next one, so commit rollback. So select query is used to fetch the data from a table. Okay, so you practice all these commands and we will discuss in next session.